Warm greetings to you. My name is Dr. Joseph Munyua. Today we are focusing on a conceptual framework. A conceptual framework is a structure that shows one's understanding of how particular variables which are found in the study connect with each other. Herein, the said structure depicts and describes the relationship between particular variables that are identified in the study. In short, a conceptual framework is a structure that seeks to display and describe the variables that are explored in your study and, if necessary, their involved causality. The term causality denotes a very precise connection between a cause, X, and an effect, Y. For instance, to say effluent X causes lung cancer, Y, means that effluent and lung cancer are directly related. In this causal relationship, X is a cause that causes Y, whereas Y is the effect that is caused by X. Besides, one of the principal tasks of a conceptual framework is to facilitate the solving of the research problem. Along these lines, just like a theoretical framework, a conceptual framework shapes the formulation of the research problem, the research objectives, the research questions, the research hypothesis, and the research methodology. In that vein, towards enriching your study, you should make sure that your conceptual framework is your guide during the execution of your study. A conceptual framework is developed before the carrying out of the involved study in order to, among other things, serve its aforesaid purpose. In the end, in your conceptual framework and in your entire study, your readers should be able to see the positive effects of your said framework on the rest parts of your study towards the intended solving of the research problem. In this context, in the section of a conceptual framework, you should show how your said conceptual framework shapes the formulation of the research problem and your research methodology. In addition, strictly speaking, the heart of a conceptual framework should be characterized by your attempt to identify and define the involved research concepts and your explanation of their causal relationship, hence its name. Then, you should creatively draw the involved conceptual framework and therein put it into an appropriate diagram that should show, if necessary, the involved causal relationship of the identified concepts and other related issues. Thank you for your time. Bye for now.